The Trump administration has announced some big changes to the COVID vaccine policy in the U.S., and those changes may actually limit access for some people. So what does that mean for you? WBZ's Burton went looking for answers.
I did get the booster. I felt comfortable getting it.
So far, we've had all the boosters. Probably we'll skip this one.
Folks are weighing in on COVID-19. On Tuesday, the FDA says it will continue to approve COVID-19 vaccine updates for seniors and others at high risk of severe disease. But those without underlying conditions may not have access to the COVID-19 shot.
So this is a big change in FDA guidance. What the FDA is saying now is they're still going to basically recommend the highest risk groups getting the annual COVID vaccine. That would be 65 and older, and then essentially anyone under 65 that has a high risk group. So the good news is that over 100 million people in the United States will still be recommended to get an annual COVID vaccine.
Dr. Todd Ellerin of South Shore Hospital says now there's a large population of healthy younger people may not have access to the vaccine next fall. He says the change in recommendation is not because of safety problems, but because the FDA says more data is needed on how well the shot works.
They want to see formal studying in the 50 to 64 age group, otherwise healthy, again, to have what we call post-marketing randomized trials to actually formally study it to make sure it's still necessary.
I think that's probably right. I don't even think it's needed for seniors right now. If you're at high risk, yeah, definitely take it.
You know, I don't really have a problem with it being offered to people that are higher risk at the moment. I feel, they should get priority.
Dr. Ellerin says as these recommendations change, it's important for health officials to closely monitor and track them to see there's a significant increase in hospitalization and cases of long COVID in healthy people to see if these recommendations are working. In Peabody, I'm Burton, WBZ News.